welcome to Home Squad Reviews. In this video, we're going to be looking on 5 things you should know about the Ring Doorbell 4 before purchasing. Let's get started. The Ring Doorbell records in 1080p HD. Let's see how that actually looks. If you're planning to get the Ring Doorbell 4, then I recommend that you subscribe to their monthly service, because if you don't, then you won't get access to answering your doorbell remotely. Your videos will not be backed up to their servers, and quite frankly, I don't think it would be worth purchasing without the subscription. If you're planning to purchase the Ring Doorbell and you're planning to power it using the battery, then I recommend that you purchase an additional battery. This is because you don't want any downtime and it takes a really long time to charge the battery. If you're planning to install the Ring Doorbell close to your door and you have a secure power source on the inside of your house, then I recommend that you use a power adapter to power your Ring. This will open up a lot of the features in the Ring that are actually restricted by power. So you would be able to, for example, record longer, take snapshots more frequently, etc. I have a video showing you how to install a power adapter to the Ring Doorbell 4. I'll leave a link in the description for you to review. Now finally, there was an incident involving a Ring where a hacker hacked into a user's account and started to terrorize the kid in her room. I thought this was pretty weird. I did some more research and found that the users of that account said that they actually had a very weak password. So my final tip is to make sure that your password is stronger. You can have iOS or Android recommend a password to you, as well as if you want to manually create a password, try to use numbers, letters, and special characters. You can use capital letters, etc. to create a strong password. Guys, if you found this video to be helpful, then smash that subscribe button. Peace.